Morning to you. It's a brand new week, Monday here, as we start to see some clouds on the increase from the south as we go through the day today. We have an upper level system that's going to be moving closer to us. That will bring an increase in clouds and eventually a chance of rain and thunderstorms this afternoon. Now notice for you folks up in northern Nebraska, you're going to stay fairly sunny today, mostly sunny skies with just a slight increase in clouds. Same thing towards the far west, out towards the Colorado border, but certainly as you get towards south central parts of southeast Nebraska, northern Kansas, those clouds will be thickening up. Temperatures may even drop a few degrees this afternoon as rain moves in, especially rain, thunderstorms. Not much of a severe weather threat. That's some good news. I don't think we'll see much severe weather in our forecast, but we'll continue with the rain and isolated thunderstorms overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Again, not much of a chance up north or out west, although at least a few more clouds are going to be moving in. We'll keep the rain around tomorrow, especially in the morning, a lower chance in the afternoon. There's also a cool front which will be approaching Tuesday afternoon that could spark off a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms. That's actually bringing the better chance for those folks in northern and western Nebraska. Those will kind of fade away with time, though, overnight Tuesday night, so the chances do get lower Tuesday night into early on Wednesday morning. Again, not much of a severe weather threat, so there's no graphics to show from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma the next couple of days. As for your highs for today up north, it'll be a little warmer with just a slight increase in clouds, so you'll see plenty of sunshine still. So 80s, upper 80s in Albion, O'Neill, Ainsworth, mid-80s around Central City, Broken Bow, or same thing out west. As you get away from those thicker clouds, temperatures a little warmer towards North Platte and Ogallala, Imperial, compared to a little bit cooler there in Beaver City. And a small chance of rain later around Lexington, Beaver City. To the south, again, the increase in clouds will keep things a little cooler, especially for folks in northern Kansas. Looking for highs low to mid-80s. There's a chance of some thunderstorms by this afternoon, maybe even later this morning across northern Kansas. And to the east here, again, same kind of deal here as we see the increase in clouds and a chance of thunderstorms moving in. A little warmer as you get away from the thickest cloud cover, places like Columbus, Beatrice, Lincoln, upper 80s, lower 90s, mid 80s towards York, Hebron, Belleville, Kansas. Next couple of days, most of the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures at or below average for this time of the year. You saw the clouds kind of being a little thicker tomorrow, sticking around during the day tomorrow. That's going to hold temperatures back, upper 70s for highs. The best chance of rain over the next couple of days will come after midnight tonight through the morning hours tomorrow, but there are other chances there even later today, of course, and even through the day tomorrow, still at least a slight chance. The chance is lowering by the afternoon and early evening hours. A slight chance of rain sticks around on your Wednesday, highs in the low 80s. Better chance of rain after midnight Wednesday night, and then again towards Thursday night, another pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms. Friday and Saturday, the chances of rain and thunderstorms are a little bit lower out there, just a slight chance around the area. Highs low to mid 80s, just slightly below average for this time of the year. But chances do pick up towards the end of the weekend, sometime between Saturday night and Sunday night. Forecast models are pretty aggressive with chances of rain and thunderstorms. And if that does come to fruition, if that does happen, that high of 80 degrees will probably end up being too high. I would not be surprised that we're stuck with 70s for highs for the second half of the weekend. So back to kind of a somewhat active weather pattern here, although again, not looking at a huge severe weather threat here in the coming days ahead. And temperature-wise, not quite so warm as what we had this past weekend. The temperatures will really, again, at or below our average high. Average high is in the mid-80s, and we'll be near that or below that here over the next 7 or so days. So there you go. There is your forecast for this Monday. Again, kids heading back to school either today or sometime this week for most, if not all. I know a few have already headed back last week here, so that's kind of a look at what you can expect here as we go through the next week ahead. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Koneski. I'll see you early on Tuesday morning. Hope you all have a wonderful morning, a wonderful Monday, and God bless.